Beautiful. And just let this drop. Beautiful. You feel more pain on the right or the left?
Both.
Both sides? Okay. Great. I'm going to start adjusting the mid-back first, okay?
Okay.
Okay, nice deep breath in. And let it all go. Perfect. One more time. All the way out. Beautiful.